So here we are at 12 o'clock at night and we are ready to load the stove with the Woodlets heat logs to achieve an overnight burn. So first things first, we just want to get a bed of hot embers. And as you can see, just take a look at this hot ember bed that we create in here. Once you've got a hot ember bed like that and you can see the flames in there, it's time to put your heat log on, just like that. As you can see, the heat log is starting to catch already, so we just want to close the door there. I'm just going to leave it open like this for a couple of seconds. So when it comes to setting your stove up for the night, this is the crucial part really, and practice makes perfect. You know, you've got to keep trying, and you'll find what works for you. But for me personally, this is a multi-fuel, so we've got our bottom vent completely shut. Now we don't want to shut it down completely on the top vent. We want to keep it about 5 to 10% open. And what that will do, it will just make sure that the fuel is going to just tick away in the background. It's just going to burn. And with these heat logs, you're going to get up to 4 hours of burn time. By having a really efficient stove like my one, what's going to happen is you're going to burn the heat logs from about 12 p.m. till about 4 a.m. And then the stove is actually going to hold a lot of the heat as well for a further 2.5 hours or so. So technically, when I get up at 6-7 o'clock in the morning, the room is still at a nice ambient temperature. Now look, every stove is slightly different, but this is just how I put the last log on in the evening. Practice makes perfect, as I like to say, and always try new things if you're not happy with the results you're getting on your stove, because a lot of it is just to do with setting it up correctly. And see the flames in the back? That's how I like to leave it, and that's what gives me the long burn times through the night. It's on its lowest long burn setting. Let me just show you the temperature. So as we leave it, this is what the heat log will look like, and as you can see, we are perfectly in low optimal there, just ticking away, and that's the perfect temperature. I'd love to know how you guys put your last fuel in of the evening. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one.